What's up guys, CC here and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a graduation vlog. I'm graduating with my bachelor's degree in accounting. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm really excited guys. I really am. It's just such a relief actually. It's been a while. It's been a long, rough few years, but I did it. So I am ecstatic and I'm excited to walk across that stage, get my diploma, get my degree, get it right, get my degree. I purchased a wig for the actual graduation and for the pictures, but the wig will be here on time for the graduation and not for the pictures. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair, but I want to look decent. I want to look like sense. Like, this your bachelor's, this your degree, girl. Like, come on, you gotta get it right. In preparation for the actual grad day, I have to get my nails done. I got to get my hair done. Gotta get my eyebrows done. And I'll be getting my makeup done for the graduation day. But for the pictures, I'm gonna do my own makeup. Yeah, so that's what's going on guys. So stay tuned. Okay, so I decided to braid my hair for the graduation pictures, which is 3 days from now or 4 days from now. And it's gonna be a long night. It's going to be a long night. So I show you guys my hair earlier, and it took the whole night. I didn't go to sleep until 4. No, it was 3:45. So it's basically 4 o'clock. 4 a.m. So I was really tired and half sleeping at work the next day. It's the end of the day and I got my eyebrows shaped up, so it should be good for tomorrow when I do my makeup. See you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so picture day completed. We took the graduation pictures. This is my stale makeup from earlier today, 8 hours ago. The annoying part is doing your makeup from 8 a.m. and 5 hours later taking the pictures. I hate that I have to do that, but hopefully it turns out good. But I might insert a clip so you guys could see what I took from my phone. Every time I try to resist, I can get away. Look what finally came in the mail, guys. I got my package. First off, happy independence to Bahamas. Celebrating 49 years of independence. Happy independence. But I got my package. This is my hair. Whew. So let me see how it looks. It should be, I think it's 18 inches. Okay. It comes with a strap on. I guess you could wear it as a headband. I don't know. Comes with a wig cap and the actual hair. Oh, I bought something from this brand before. Okay, so this is not a headband wig, but it came with this, so I'm guessing it can be worn as one. I don't know, but I had to let someone pick this out for me. Javine, thank you for helping me pick this hair out. It's 18 inches. So you guys could show us some love. Go over to Kharah Jay Live and subscribe. Check out her content. She have really dope content, really good. She's good at makeup, hair, and all those things that I'm not good at. So I had to get her help picking my hair. So, oh, this is so soft. This is really soft. Oh my gosh. So it's this is what you call a frontal? I guess, frontal. Okay, so it's very nice. So this is my hair for graduation. I can't wait to put this on. And yes, she's looking good, guys. It is so soft. Okay, so I am going to the hairdresser to get this put on correctly, do the baby hair and all those stuff, because you guys know I can't do those things. Like, give me a headband wig and I'm good, but these, no, I gotta go to the shop. Oh, also I got my graduation invites. Yes, so they give you 5 invitations. So this is the design. I'll probably put the picture up somewhere. And the theme is discovering new possibilities. Please join the president, administration, faculty, staff, and the graduating classes of 2020, 2021, and 2022 of the Bahamas Institute of Business and Technology. Yes, at their commencement ceremony, July 24th, 2022, 3 p.m. and the location. But yes, it's getting real, guys. So the invites are here. I'm heading to get my shoes for graduation. I'm going to try to find a nice heels to wear with my dress. Oh, everywhere look closed. Okay guys, this is the shoes that I got. What I went with at the last store. It's nice. Yeah, I like it. It's gonna be cute. Okay guys, I am currently at the salon. I'm about to get my nails done, getting my hair done tomorrow, and tomorrow is the graduation. So nails today, hair and makeup tomorrow. This is how the nails came out. Really nice. I love it. Really nice. Okay guys, my makeup turned out really good. I love the end result. Hours later, we went to dinner, we went to an after party, and my makeup was still lit. The young lady that did my makeup, she's only 19. Self-taught, she's running her own business. She's really talented. Shout out to you. Thanks again for making my special day even more special. And watch me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
It's a video. Yes. Get you some friends who can hype you up. Yes.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.